Today's mission, we're going to take the 414 down to Noonan, Georgia. We're going to make a parts run and get a nose wheel assembly that we need for one of our other aircraft. So we're going to pick up this nose wheel, take it over, and drop it off so we can get that bird back in action.
All right. Engine instruments are green. Airspeed is alive. VR rotate.
Pickens traffic, 4 Sierra Whiskey, turning left base, runway 34, Pickens.
All right. Go. What? Huh?
Go ahead.
You go ahead.
I was just going to say I got some really good shots of the city.
Good shots of the city.
Go ahead.
All right. So I'm going to fill you all in on what's been going on here, exactly what we're doing today on this mission. As you know, we're trying to bring the new Beechcraft into the fleet, and we've just done a complete panel upgrade with EDM 900, a Garmin 530, a lot of other goodies, and we're all really excited about that. However, we noticed a little nose wheel shimmy, and before we bring it to service, we might as well go get everything addressed. So Mr. Gene over at Littlefield Aircraft Services and Center has advised us the best option would be to bring him the nose gear off of our parts plane, which is located in Noonan. So we're on our way to get it. We're going to scoop it up, head over to Center Piedmont, drop that off with Mr. Littlefield. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated.
Let's go get some nose gear. Oh, watch the mud. Good old nose gear. Here we come, Gene. Get your tools out. Here you go, Gene. Fix my plane. We made it back. Mission accomplished. We were able to get the landing gear over to Gene at Littlefield Aviation, and hopefully in the next couple days he'll get that shimmy worked out for us and we'll have our Musketeer back in service. But I also wanted to give a shout out to my buddy Alan. We stopped in Gunnersville along the way and we picked up this custom-made smudge pot that he just fabricated for me. And I'm gonna post a link in the description below. You can check him out. He makes custom designs. In this case, he put our logo. It has our name on the back of it, but really nice. So we have tons of used motor oil around here from all the oil changes we do. And this is the perfect way for us to get free heat. So check him out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Until we meet again, fly safe, fly with confidence, train with Ace.
It used to be the $100 hamburger, but if we get a burger in this 414, it'd definitely be more than a $100 hamburger.
Definitely.
I think the $100 hamburger was a term coined probably back in the 70s